We are jumping right into the timeline of CapCut PC to fix a major time waster, which is selecting each video clip one by one when you want to move or edit your entire project. If you have a long timeline with dozens of cuts, clicking and dragging your mouse across the screen takes too long, and it is easy to miss a small clip. Instead of dragging, click anywhere inside your timeline track to make it active. Now, press Ctrl and A at the same time on your keyboard. Instantly, every single piece of media on your timeline highlights in blue. There is an important thing with this shortcut. When you select everything, you lose the ability to move individual clips independently until you click away to deselect them. If you move one thing now, you move everything. With all clips selected, you have two great options to clean up your workspace. If you right-click on the highlighted clips, you can scroll down to where it says Group or just press Ctrl and G. This binds the clips together so they move as one unit, but they still stay as separate files on your track. In my case, I prefer a cleaner look, so I right-click and hover over Create Compound Clip or press Alt and G. This action merges all your separate clips into one single cohesive video track. Now, that goes both ways. While it makes your timeline look incredibly clean, you temporarily lose the ability to edit the individual cuts directly on the main track. To fix that or make a change, you just have to double-click the compound clip and CapCut opens it back up in a new timeline tab. Once you are done making your adjustment, you can back out of this tab to return to your main project.